On the oceans and on land, 2014 was the warmest year on record. That, according to the latest calculations by U.S. space and weather agencies. This animation, provided by the U.S. space agency NASA, shows the warming of planet Earth, starting in 1880 and going through 2014.
The 10 warmest years in this record, 9 of them have occurred since 2000. So that means that there's a very strong tendency of the temperature over the globe to be increasing with time.
If the trend continues, NASA warns we could see huge impacts around the world as polar ice caps melt, increasing the risk of flooding and other extreme conditions.
There are also a lot of implications too for increasingly severe droughts, heat waves and droughts, which can affect crop production. It can lead to more wildfires because the vegetation is very dry.
The findings are consistent for the northern and southern hemispheres and are especially significant because 2014 was not a year with El Niño, the cyclical phenomenon where ocean waters warm, often creating extreme weather. Climate change deniers sometimes point to El Niño as the cause for record-high global temperatures. These latest findings, along with existing research, point to the release of man-made carbon emissions as the cause of the warming planet.
So the evidence is really very strong that it is greenhouse gas increases that is causing this warming of the atmosphere of the planet.
To reverse course won't be easy and would likely require major changes in energy production, transportation, and industry.
The only way to stop greenhouse gases increasing, as they have done, is to basically stop emitting them. And that means that it basically needs a change in human behavior, move to alternative technologies, to not use as many fossil fuels as we have done.
Scientists continue to study global climate change. A new NASA project uses satellite-based laser instruments to study the impact of airborne particles like smoke, dust, sulfates, and sea salt on global climate change. But unless humans make some significant changes quickly, scientists say we can expect to see warmer climates for years to come. Jim Spellman, CCTV, Washington.